The iLab. So how often do you come over?
Probably every other day.
I was tinkering just in the Maker Studio one day and I figured out we already have all the components we need to build an electric skateboard.
An electric skateboard?
Yes. I'm not a mechanical engineer. That's why I have him here.
You're mounting the phone
to one of the AC vents on the car.
They're called lithophanes. How these work is when you place them in front of a light, you're able to see the picture come to life.
That is tremendous.
This was 3D printed.
How long did it take?
This one took me roughly 5 days. I wanted the experience of being able to bringing stuff alive and maybe looking to be a prompt maker. So that's why 3D printing.
What am I looking at?
This is an arcade stick. A lot of people still use controllers like these to this day. So one of the things that I decided to do was just build it myself.
Move around the joystick and press buttons?
Yep.
I can do that. Oh, boy. Did you let me win?
Maybe.
I think you did, but it felt, It's the creativity and innovation that I'm just so proud of.
I'm actually printing a new version of my carts here.
So this is where the wheels.
Yeah, exactly. You can kind
Okay.
of see it's very similar. We call it a soccer bot,
Okay.
and it's going to drive around and try and flick a foosball into a goal.
You just one day, or how did it come to you?
I was actually introduced to solenoids in my machine design class.
Okay.
And then I was like, I wonder if I could implement that into my bot.
And how long will that take?
This one, I think it's gonna take 10 hours.
Oh,
10 hours.
10 hours, okay. So you're gonna have to be here for 10 hours to keep an eye on it?
See, no one has the time for that, so I'm just gonna trust it.
This is what I want to do.
Fabulous.
This is where I'm having the most fun.
Both of us want to stick around the iLab, surrounded by people who love to make things.
Well, I'm just pleased that we have this access to these kinds of machines for students to really be creative.